Today I will show you how to install the fluted panel. There are three different fluted panels: 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. You can choose one panel or a mix of them to create a pattern. For this project, we have chosen a mix of panel 1.1 and 1.3. To begin the installation, insert the first panel into the outside corner. Make sure the panel is level to guide your installation. Secure the panel by screwing to every 16 inches center to center. Repeat the same step for following panel until you reach an opening or the end of the wall.